The mysterious forest. In a small village surrounded by mountains, there was a forest that everyone feared. The villagers believed the forest was cursed because strange things happened there. People said they heard voices, saw shadows, and sometimes things went missing. But no one had ever gone deep enough to find out what was really inside. In the village lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was curious and brave, unlike the other villagers. While everyone else was afraid of the forest, Arjun was fascinated by it. He often stood at the edge, wondering what secrets it held. One day, Arjun decided he would uncover the truth about the mysterious forest. He packed a small bag with some food, water, and a lantern. He knew the journey would be tough, but his curiosity was stronger than his fear. As he entered the forest, he noticed how quiet it was. The trees were tall, their branches thick, blocking out most of the sunlight. The path was narrow, and the ground was covered in fallen leaves. Arjun felt a chill in the air, but he kept going. After walking for what seemed like hours, Arjun heard something rustling in the bushes. He stopped, holding his breath. Suddenly, a small, furry creature jumped out. It was a rabbit, but unlike any rabbit Arjun had seen before. This one had bright blue eyes and a soft, glowing fur. The rabbit stared at Arjun as if waiting for him to follow. Without thinking, Arjun followed the rabbit deeper into the forest. The rabbit led him through narrow paths and over small streams until they reached a clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood a giant, ancient tree. Its roots were thick and twisted, spreading out in all directions. The tree looked like it had been there for centuries, watching over the forest. The rabbit hopped to the base of the tree and looked up at Arjun. It then disappeared into a small hole between the roots. Arjun hesitated, but his curiosity got the better of him. He knelt down and crawled into the hole. Inside, Arjun found himself in a cave. The walls were covered in glowing crystals, casting a soft light all around. In the center of the cave was a pool of water, clear and still. Arjun could see his reflection in it. As he approached the pool, something strange happened. The water began to ripple, and images appeared on its surface. Arjun saw scenes from his past, his family, his friends, and the village. Then, the images changed, showing him things he had never seen before. He saw a beautiful castle surrounded by gardens full of flowers. He saw people dancing, laughing, and celebrating. Arjun realized these were visions of a time long ago when the forest wasn't feared but cherished. Suddenly, a voice echoed through the cave. It was soft and gentle, like the wind. The forest is not cursed, young one. It holds the memories of a time when people lived in harmony with nature. But greed and fear drove them away, and the forest was forgotten. Arjun looked around, trying to find the source of the voice, but there was no one else in the cave. The rabbit you followed is the guardian of this forest, the voice continued. It brought you here because you have a pure heart and a curious mind. The forest chose you to restore the balance. Arjun felt a warm glow inside him. He realized the forest wasn't something to fear, but to understand and protect. He knew what he had to do. The next morning, Arjun returned to the village. He gathered the villagers and told them everything he had seen and heard. At first, they were skeptical, But Arjun's sincerity and courage convinced them. Together, they ventured into the forest. With Arjun as their guide, they explored its depths, discovering its beauty and secrets. They found the ancient tree, the glowing crystals, and the guardian rabbit. Over time, the villagers learned to respect the forest. They stopped fearing it and started taking care of it. The forest, in turn, became a part of their lives, providing them with food, shelter, and a sense of peace. The village thrived, and the story of the mysterious forest became a legend passed down through generations. And as for Arjun, he grew up to be a wise and respected leader, known for his bravery and love for the forest. Years later, when Arjun was old and grey, he returned to the forest one last time. As he stood by the ancient tree, the rabbit appeared once more. It looked at Arjun with its bright blue eyes as if saying goodbye. Arjun smiled, knowing the forest would always be protected. He had fulfilled his purpose, and the forest had found its guardian. And so, the mysterious forest remained a place of wonder and beauty, not just in the village's history, but in the hearts of all who believed in the power of curiosity, courage, and respect for nature.